Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 13th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we turned down pretty hard right at the 90%. I've been thinking that this is a wave B, and if it's actually a regular flat, the 90% is a really good target for a regular flat wave B. Now, if that is really a wave B, then we will start a downtrend that will likely last many, many months, and it will make lower lows, lower highs on these higher time frames. The only thing is that the only thing we really know right now is that this wave from here to here is over. It could just end up making a pullback to that wave and continuing the higher time frame uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, like I said, the only thing we know for sure is that this wave from here to here is over. This easily could be like a wave A, and then it makes like a wave B, and then down for a wave C, and then continues the uptrend. Or it could continue to make very impulsive moves to the downside, go down and take out this low down here, which would prove to me that the wave B is complete on the daily. So right now, I definitely would be recommending shorts because we do have some breaks of structure. And while you're looking for shorts, hopefully you'll learn and earn at the same time whether it does this, it bounces from a fib level and continues up, making an overlapping ABC pattern, or whether it maintains very impulsive lower lows, lower highs, making a break of structure on the daily time frame, proving that this really is the end of a wave B. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.